Here we go, guys. So we've just got the keys today to unit 15. So we're just going to have a quick look round us. So you can see that the site is empty at the moment. It looks like we're the first to get the keys to this brand new industrial estate. So it's a blank canvas at the moment, but you can see that it's all ready to go. We're just about to mask up and get the walls painted, floor down. We're going for epoxy resin. We're going to fit 2 to 3 ramps in this section of the building. We've got inbuilt work boxes, tool boxes or tool stations at the back wall there. All the latest equipment, brand new air compressor with silent running. We're going to have some logos put on the wall.